Hello. There are many online budget tools, and popular among them is Mint. I am a Mint user, and it's great, but it doesn't give me general idea of how I should budget my money, whether I set category too high or too low, for example, for foods. So I created um, an app called mBudget. Uh, This will give you a typical budget based on your income and location. For example, I put here my yearly income to be $80,000 and I live in San Jose. You hit find a budget, it will return an, um, a typical budget for food, housing, medical savings is on automatic graded and with different amounts and percentage. So it kind of give you a general idea of how you should budget your money. You have two options here. You can either create a budget or you can create your own budget. If you create a budget, it will give you a kind of the graphical representation of the on the categories that are returned by the app. So I see here that you expect to spend 32% of your monthly income to housing, and you pay 26% of your monthly income to taxes, and transportation and foods, medical and other savings. So it has pie chart and bar charts. You can, and here it's just the progressional bar, so you can kind of see the general idea of how you should budget your money. So you can choose edit this budget. You can choose, for example, say my budget. You can, if you don't like certain category, like um, you don't need to be housing because you you you're renting an apartment, and your housing is not that great. You can put it to be only 20%, and you don't pay medical bill at all. You can put like 2%, like 0%, and you're saving a lot of money. You can change it to 20%. Um, yeah, so you can update your budget but based on all that information. Yeah, so now you don't have any medical money for medical budget for the budget for medical, right? Um, Here you can actually, because I created budget under my profile, so you can actually look at your profile here. You can update the profile. You can change the first name, last name, email, or you can delete this account. Yeah, so you can see here I have different budgets already. Um, if you log out, and you can actually sign up for a new account here, like for first name something, last name something, right? So I'm gonna sign up for a new account. So then my then see say my at gmail.com 123 agree with the term and condition. So it has all my profile information here. If you hit club budget, it will not show anything because I don't have any budget under my name. Um, so you can choose different yearly income and the location. For example, I want to know budget in New York. You can do that. Yeah, so you have only expect amount you should pay for your monthly income of $10,000. This you can also create your own budget, so you can name your budget like some personal budget. You can change your monthly income to be something. You can set different name. You can choose different amount for that. Is it like 2,000? You can actually add different category like taxes. You can put like 4,000 for example, or you can add like transportation like 1,000. Yeah, so you can essentially create different um, category with different amount. You can choose to create this budget. So you to create my budgets only have three categories, and it will give you um, graphical representation of the budget you just set. Another function of my app is to have a link bank function. You can actually link your real bank information onto mBudget, and it will tell you what categories you have on the transactions in the account that you put in, um, and it will give you an idea of what you spend most your money on and what percentage. For example, I can choose US Bank. This is my real information. Loading. Yeah. So this is function is very similar to all the online budget tools. It can link to your bank and to give you, it has all the transaction data, so it can uh, give you an idea of how you spend your money. Right, so I successfully linked my bank information with um, the mBudget, the app that I created, but it takes around 30 seconds to grab all the transaction data, so I think it should be good now. I'm just gonna go ahead and hit OK. Alright, so you see that I have different transaction here. I just have that like yesterday, the day ago, I went to a restaurant. I spent like $26.76 with that, and I withdraw some money from the bank. I spent something on the credit card, so I give you all the transaction data. And here actually you can see this. Here is a table. Uh, it gives you that what is the most category that you spend the most money on. So you see that I spend most of my money on transfer withdrawal. I withdraw a lot of cash. I spend in 13 purchases in transfer, which is um, the transfer that I have. And here you have the donut chart. It gives you an idea of how much you spend money on different different categories. Yeah, so it's pretty cool, right? So you have on your personal information linked to my budget. Right. Thank you. That's all my app is all about, and hopefully create I can finish it and create a more complete version of my budget. So thank you very much.